Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a BeeBeeCraft unboxing. Molly from BeeBeeCraft had reached out to me and wanted to see if I could unbox, review, and create a couple tutorials using some of the products that they'll be sending, which are in here. So I'm excited to share that with you. Now, if you are a crafter and also a YouTuber here, you may be eligible to participate in a video collaboration or video cooperation type video like this one that I'm doing today. I'll put all the links in the description box. So let's have a look and see what they sent. So I am not familiar with BeeBeeCraft, so I thought this would be a great way to get to know more about the company and see what kind of products they have to offer. Let us open this. They packed it really nice, so let's see what is in here. Looks like I have to cut. Okay, so I'm just going to take this off and show you what came in there. The first item I pulled was a bag filled with these oval mosaic style embellishments that you can put on a pendant. So let me show you up close so that you can see what they look like. So here's a closer look at what they look like. I'm excited to see what I can use them for. Definitely would work for a nice pendant if I have the right size for this oval shaped ones. I have circle ones, so we'll see. And you can see from the size of my fingernail here, they are pretty small, but I can definitely use this to embellish some boxes. So we'll show that in a future tutorial or craft with me session. So let's see what else they sent. So the next item we have here is a little pendant kit with this oval shape. I love the vintage look to this. This is what the back looks like, and it has a corresponding piece that you can add to the pendant, the bezel plate here. I love the fact that it came with a container. I always have an issue when I buy these items and they just come in a Ziploc or a bag packaging, and then I have to worry about putting it somewhere else or buying a container. So I love that this one comes with that. Another item that they included are these, looks like glue dispensers, and they come in different sizes. Let's have a look. That's a lot of bottles. I think we have 8 bottles in here. We have the lid, and then we have different pieces here. This is perfect also for, I've done some paper quilling in the past. You can definitely use this for jewelry making, and they have different tips, so that's pretty cool. And then we have these, I think, that you can use as spares, and I've never really used this type. I've bought glue that already came with the tip, but it would be awesome to try these out and see if they actually work well with dispensing and putting in, applying some glue on your craft, you know, crafty items. So the next item we have here, it says 10 colors for jewelry beads, and I love that it's in pearl. So let's have a look. By the way, this was also vacuum sealed like this one. And again, I love the fact that this is already divided and placed in a nice container like this. So let's open it and have a look and see at how these look. So here is a look at our compartment of 10 different bead colors here. I love the greens and the blues, and then we have different hues of the lavender and the purples, and I love these as well. So super nice. And finally, I have one more item here. It's in a box. Let's have a look. Oh, how nice. It's a wax seal. Let me show you what this looks like. So here's a closer look at this wax seal. Take a look at that adorable design. It has a letter with wings and a heart. I'm excited to use this for outgoing mail. Here's another look at what they sent me. I hope you guys enjoyed this BeeBeeCraft unboxing. Stay tuned for some tutorials using some of the items that were featured in this video. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye!